Last week, the market was very volatile. In fact, the worst volatile market ever in recent history. In fact, you can say after coronavirus, NIFTY was around 15,750. From there, it shot up to 16,400. And again from 16,400, it came back to 15,750. And when the markets are very bearish, the government may take some action and they will give some shock therapy to the traders. And one such shock therapy was called the Nirmala Sitharaman candle. And just from one stroke, the corporate tax was reduced from 30% to 22%. And then this SDFC merger was also a shock therapy only. And the same thing also, now also I'm feeling, just to give the shock therapy, government may be advising Reliance to go for the demerger. But again, all these are just guesswork only. And we don't know what is true and what is not true. But anyway, if the government advises, it's good only. The government is doing a good thing only. So there's nothing to complain. And on Saturday, many shock therapies came from our finance minister. Reduced the taxation, petrol and diesel. And then there was some other announcements also. Some cylinder subsidy, then something about metals and cement, And people are speculating that tomorrow may be a gap up. But I do not know. When we closed on Friday, the Dow was plus 300, the Dow future. Then it came to minus 600. And then again entire 600 point fall was wiped out and to close in green. And that was almost 900 fall and 600 point recovery. So this fuel price cut or Reliance merger news and all these things, can help our market from collapsing below 15,700. The recent low was 15,735, and in the month of March, the low was 15,671. So approximately 15,700 will be our lower limit for tomorrow trading day. And as we know, the lower swing was broken in US. In fact, yesterday was the lowest point. But we are still far away from that 15,700. So by looking at this market, all these good things will help to support our market from collapsing below 15,700. But however, how much it can go higher, that possibility is very little as of now, unless US market is stabilized. This week, the trading range will be between 15,700 to 16,400. Why? If you see the last 2 weeks, this was the swing high and the swing low. The last 2 weeks, the swing low was 15,700 and swing high was 16,400. So if 15,700 is broken down for one or the another reason, then it's going to be very bad. That can happen only if the US market breaks yesterday's low. On the other hand, for one or the another reason, if 16,400 is crossed, then there will be a lot of short coverings. And the next level will be 16,800. And why 16,800? Last time on the way down, 16,800 support was held multiple times. Just like now, 15,700 support is held multiple times. And then once when 16,800 support was broken, a non-stop market fell more than 1,000 points. So therefore, upside we can expect 16,400 as resistance And if that is crossed, then 16,800 will be the resistance. And for downside, I don't want to give the second opinion. I just pray that 15,700 is being held. And stocks to be in focus, definitely auto stocks will be in focus, and fuel price cut is good news for them, and this inflation is good news for banking stocks. And so for next week, auto, banks, and of course Reliance will be in focus. So let us hope for a better week. And something I can promise you, the markets are going to be hugely volatile. And that is because if any series, the first 3 weeks are volatile, the fourth week will also be volatile. In fact, the fourth week will be even more volatile. But I don't think that the kind of volatility we seen last week can repeat again this week. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed listening the video. Thank you for watching, and all the very best for a new week, 23rd May. Good night.